T Tools Flyout contains the following commands. Open T. Cleans a pair of lines forming T shape, by one click inside the lines to be trimmed. Extend and Open. Extends a pair of lines to form open T shape, by first select line for boundary and then lines by window to extend and trim intermediate segment of boundary line. Interclean. Cleans crossing pair of lines, walls, by a window to form clean cross. Project Lines Tools. Project Lines Flyout contains the following commands. Project Vertical. A very useful tool that draws vertical lines on current layer from picked points. Very useful when projections are required to draw elevations, sections etc. for large projects. Project Horizontal. A very useful tool that draws horizontal lines on current layer from picked points. Very useful when projections are required to draw that is elevations, sections etc. for large projects. Project to Snap Angle. A very useful tool that draws lines on current layer at snap angle from picked points. Rotate Tools. Rotate Flyout contains the following commands. Rotate. AutoCAD command to rotate selected elements at a specified base point to pick point, type new angle etc. Rotate Move. Combined AutoCAD rotation and move commands to perform this task in a faster way. Rotate Easy. CAD on Alpha tool to rotate selected elements to the angle of another existing element. Follow the prompts at command line. Drag Rotate. A tool to rotate selected elements by specifying base point of rotation and give angle of rotation by specifying 2 points. Follow the prompts at command line. Rotate to Snap Angle. An easy way to rotate selected elements to snap angle when the snap angle is not 0. Follow the prompts at command line. Copy Rotate Easy. A tool to copy and rotate selected elements to an existing element's angle. Follow the prompts at command line. Quick Align. Quick alignment of selected elements with ability to scale or not elements. Follow the prompts at command line. Extend Tools. Extend Flyout contains the following commands. Extend. AutoCAD tool to extend a line or polyline. Shift Change command to trim. Multi-Extend. AutoCAD tool to extend many lines and polylines with fence. Select Object to extend or Shift Select to trim. Change Line Type. Easily the line type of selected elements by different ways. A. By selecting an element as source line type. B. By picking on slide by layer or previous. C. Press Enter, Return, to bring CAD on Alpha line type dialog to choose. Pay attention at command line to make proper choices. Break Tools. Break Flyout contains the following commands. Break a die intersection. Breaks a line you select at an intersection point with another line. 2 points. Breaks a line you select at 2 points and deletes the intermediate segment. Blank Tools. Blank Flyout contains the following commands. Blank. Blank tool hides selected elements from displaying in the current window. Unblank. Reverse the action of blank and displays all hidden elements. Deep Blank. Deep Blank hides selected elements in more depth, preventing them from print. Unblank Deep Blanks. Reverse the action of Deep Blank and displays all hidden elements. Explode Flyout contains the following commands. Explode. AutoCAD command to explode, break inserted blocks in your drawing to individual elements. Explode alphanumeric name block. AlphaCAD tool to explode, break blocks that were inserted by paste as a blocks from clipboard in your drawing and have alphanumeric name. Join lines. Much properties. Command to apply properties of a selected object to other objects.